Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. Today is Doctors' Day. A heartfelt thanks to doctors who are fighting COVID pandemic from frontline. Lord Jagannath and his divine siblings made their way back to Sri Mandir after a week-long stay at Gundicha temple during Rath Yatra in Puri. The pulling of chariots started at 11:25 am ahead of schedule fixed by the SJTA. The remaining papers of annual +2 examination conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education were cancelled due to fast spread of COVID-19 in Odisha. The move came after Centre announced Unlock 2 by imposing restrictions on reopening of educational institutions across the country in view of growing number of COVID-19 cases. The VSSUT at Burla in Odisha's Sambalpur district has been sealed for 7 days after a woman teacher of the educational institution tested positive for COVID-19. The district administration and VSSUT authorities have decided to seal the campus for 7 days for its sanitization. The campus has been declared as a no-entry zone. Keeping in view a large number of applications by the candidates and requests received from the candidates for changing their centers for both Civil Services Examination and Indian Forest Service Examination, the Commission has decided to give an opportunity to the aspirants to submit their revised choice of center. The window of submitting the revised choice of centers by the candidates will be operational in 2 phases, that is from July 7 to 13 and July 20 to 24. The Computer Emergency Response Team of India has advised internet users to exercise caution while installing Google Chrome extensions. The malicious extensions had the ability to take screenshots, read the clipboard, harvest authentication cookies, or grab user keystrokes to read passwords and other confidential information, said the agency. The agency advised internet users to only install extensions which are absolutely needed and refer user reviews before doing so. Several direct tax deadlines, including those for linking of PAN with Aadhaar number, completing tax-saving investments, exercise for financial year 2019-20 and for companies to issue Form 16 to employees have been extended again. This has been done to give further relief to individuals due to ongoing coronavirus pandemic. It has been extended to July 31. More than 500,000 people worldwide have lost their lives as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. Since the virus emerged in China last year, there have been more than 10 million cases. The virus is also affecting South Asia and Africa, where it is not expected to peak until the end of July. Thank you for watching and please visit our website www.karwakispeaks.com for more updates and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.